Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Landwolf token. Ticker symbol is Wolf. This token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, December 15th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Landwolf token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Landwolf token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, December 15th. At 12 o'clock UTC time. This token is being listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Wolf, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So Landwolf is the epitome of Alpha Wolf, the leader of the pack. Not even the highest mountain, the coldest terrain, the darkest forest, or fastest prey can stand in the way of the Avalanche chain mascot. So this token is on the Avalanche blockchain. We're going to go over that in a second. Landwolf was created by Matt Fury as part of the Boys Club, which stars characters Pepe, Landwolf, Brett, and Andy. This is the wolf of crypto. So it's like the Pepe, Wolf of Wall Street, Matt Fury character on Avax of crypto. So this token you could find in Snowtrace, snowtrace.io, which is the basically the explorer there for Avax, for Avalanche. So there is a total supply here, it says, of 690 trillion tokens. There is 18 decimal places on this token, according to their Snowtrace. You can find their socials. They have a Telegram at Landwolf on Avax hashtag, it says, is their Telegram. They have 779 subscribers on the Telegram so far. On their Twitter, which I'm going to put up right here, you'll be able to find their Telegrams, the first thing there, and then underneath that they have landwolfavax.com, their official webpage. This is a brand new project. Their Twitter, as you can see, just joined in December 2023. 2,251 followers so far at Landwolf on Avax on Twitter. 88 tweets. You're going to find a lot of info on their socials. This is very much a meme coin, so most of the updates and everything like that is going to be on their socials, along with a lot of memes, of course. And then they have their webpage, which has, you know, tokenomics, contact information, etc. So it says Landwolf, to be precise, is the unofficial yet official mascot of Avalanche. So it helps that he is red. And on their webpage, there is a link to Trader Joe if you want to get this off a decentralized exchange. But if you don't know how to use that, Mexc Global might be easier for you. They also have a live chart that you can check out on Dex Screener, linked on their webpage there. So it says, the Avax founding team has established over the years that this grungy character named Landwolf is the chain's representative. Avalanche people are into Landwolf, not frogs. Landwolf over Pepe. Since being established as Avax mascot in 2021, however, Landwolf has never been launched on the Avalanche chain, nor given the proper run this absolute Chad deserves. That is, until now. And then it has the contract address on here. If you are going to get this off Trader Joe or a decentralized exchange, it says there is no taxes, so you won't have to worry about slippage too much or any of that. It says LP tokens are burnt. Contract ownership is renounced. So it says contact as Avax continues to make new yearly highs. You can expect the Landwolf to continue to show the space that dogs, frogs, mogs have all had their day, and now it's Landwolf season. So, again, if you want to check out the DEX screener chart, let's see if it actually even works here. So, yes, it does actually work here. You can see the price in USD, and you can see the price in Avax. And it says here they have about $504,000 locked in liquidity, it says here. And it also has the market cap right now for this project is $24.8 million. And it says you could trade on Trader Joe, has a link to that. You can put it on your watch list on DEX Screener or put price alerts, things like that. They also have links here to Go Plus Security. Go Plus Security says no issues, so that's good to see. It just says token sniffers not available. So the cool thing about DEX Screener is you can check out some audits on here. Now this Go Plus Security audit, just keep in mind, is a quick audit and it's not a full audit. So just be aware of that. Now it does say here, I'm not sure if this is fully accurate or you know what, if this is real time or what. It does say 3,153 holders on this DEX screener here. It also says 9 liquidity providers. So you can go over random information like that basically on the dexscreener.com, and they have the contract address on there, what it's paired with, how much pooled wolf there is. And it says the pair was created 4 days, 11 hours ago. All sorts of random information like that. I think it says 24-hour trading volume. No, I'm not sure what that is there. But, oh yeah, it looks like $9.9 million. I'm not sure if that's 24-hour trading volume. But, yeah, you could check out this project here, newly listed. This token just got newly listed today on Mexc Global. So if you don't have an Mexc Global account, check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. It's available as of today at noon UTC time. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about Landwolf? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.